a 6-minute deep, so we have 5 minutes remaining. Right now, Trevor is leading with a 25-6-13. Fastest lap of 13-7-8. Durham is a 16-108, 23-6-12. 17-6-9, 21-6-13. Jordan's got a 19-6-13. Joe with a 17-6-08. Trevor has still got a 14-7-18. That's every time on the course.